It's your side, it's your side!
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing like a vlog styled video because we're going to IKEA, and I've asked over on my Instagram for people to ask us questions for in the car, so hopefully they will, and then we can answer some of them on the way. But we're getting there early, so it's currently 10 to 9, so we're getting there early because we don't want to wait in the queue, although there probably still will be a queue, but oh well. So I'll see you in a minute. Getting some petrol because Jessie's gonna run out in a minute. Jessie just went in the petrol station and
Whilst you filled up?
Yeah, I had to fill the car up. It was a bit scary. It wasn't actually scary, but we got some, what are these called?
Like brioche things.
Some of these crunchy cream things, which I've never had before.
They're so good.
And an orange juice, a massive orange juice, because we were hungry and haven't had any breakfast yet, so I really hope that this doesn't fall. Okay, we've got some questions to answer on Jessie's phone because I've just written them down on there. Okay, so the first one is...
This is questions that Instagram have asked us.
Yeah. First one is, where's your favourite place to drive to? I don't know. You're the one who actually drives.
I know, but I don't think I have a favourite place to drive. I think I like going for drives, if that makes sense. But like with people, I like going on like little road trips. Yeah. I don't have a favourite
Me
place.
and my friends have already organised it. Well, we haven't actually organised it, but we've already been like, as soon as you can drive, we're going on a road trip.
When I go to... So I think the nicest things is if you go with like your boyfriend or a friend and you go pull up in a nice little place with a lovely view. That's nice.
Yeah.
Like it's nice to do that.
And
or have a little
watch the
picnic.
sunset.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't really know. Or to the airport, so you know you're going on holiday. What's your favourite sport? So mine's gymnastics, and she doesn't do a sport. You used to do swimming.
Yeah, I don't really do sports, but if I had to choose something, I would choose swimming. I love swimming.
Yeah, next one. How is the right way to make tea, like a cup of tea?
See, I don't drink tea or coffee.
I don't drink tea. I drink coffee, but
I don't drink it. But I think, well, when I've made my mum and my stepdad's, I would
put the tea bag.
Yeah, I'd put the tea bag in, fill it up with water, and leave a tiny bit. Just put a tiny bit of milk, because that's all Alan ever wants. But I don't really make it for anyone else, so
yeah,
I don't know.
The only one who really drinks. Well, Mum drinks tea, but
not really.
More drinks coffee than tea.
Yeah, so like very strong tea, I would say.
Okay. What's your opinion on Marmite? I hate it.
I hate it as well. I know you're meant to either love it or hate it, and I hate it.
It's gross. It's so like bitter, and I haven't actually had it in a while, but I don't know. I don't plan on trying it again.
Not for me.
No. What is your favourite season? Mine's summer.
Yeah, mine's summer. I love it. Windows down, and music blaring.
When you're going on like a road trip with your friends, and it's just like hot, and it's like music, and
I love it. Music blaring.
And I do like winter, but only because it's got Christmas and
and it's like a cozy month, isn't it?
But it's quite cozy. I like being cozy.
If I'm honest, I do like most months. I do.
Yeah, but summer is my absolute favourite month.
Yeah, I love it.
I just like the part I like about winter is you can be all cozy and like watch a million films and be all wrapped up in blankets. What is your favourite colour? Mine's like lilac and purplies and pastel colours basically.
Why is it?
I don't know, I like it.
Fair enough. Mine's yellow.
Why is it?
Because that's what I was hoping you'd ask, because I wanted to explain why. Basically, if you had a packet of pencils, coloured pencils, right?
Yeah.
Take the yellow one out of it. It looks so dull. Put the yellow back in and it's happy and sunshiny. I love it. And that's why it's my favourite colour.
Fair enough. I just like the colour lilac.
I just love yellow.
Fair enough.
And I've got yellow everything, literally.
Literally. She has yellow Vans, like bright yellow Vans.
And I wear them all the time.
Hideous.
No one likes them. But thanks, Mum, for getting me them.
Okay. What is your favourite animal?
Mine's a meerkat.
Yeah, I don't really
Love meerkats. Annie actually adopted me one for my 21st
I did.
in Bristol Zoo, and
It's
she
called
was
Babushka.
called Babushka. Love it, but the problem was we went there and asked the man to find Babushka because he was mine, and the man was like, "Yeah, this one's it." And then 2 minutes later, it ran away, and he picked up another one and said, "Yeah, this is it." So I don't actually think they knew which one was Babushka,
But your name was on a plaque thing, so
It was.
for a year.
I'll show you.
We're gonna do some more on the way back, we think, because it's still like
And Annie's friends are basically asleep.
so yeah. Because it was basically my friends who were saying this, right? Sweet or savoury? Sweet.
Yeah, sweet.
I do like savoury, but sweet.
Nah, I'm all for the puddings, me.
Same. Like if you could have a starter or a dessert, which one would you go for? I'd go for dessert.
100% dessert. Because the only starter I like is melon balls. Literally, and you don't even get them very many places, do you?
You can get like mozzarella sticks.
Yeah, but you don't, not very often.
No, true. I'm scared that my phone's gonna fall. It's
Round and
doing
roundabout.
good so far. We've got this like holder thing and stuck it with blue tack so it doesn't fall off.
Yeah, it has actually been alright.
Yeah. People, oh my goodness. We're getting there early because we don't want to wait in the queue. Nearly there. She's taking the pencil.
Yeah, because you don't need pencils.
Just here.
Look, rulers. Look, they've got rulers.
Yeah, for measuring.
Make a note.
I love the little showrooms.
Hey.
I love fake plants. I might get one. I wanted a hanging plant for so long. They're only £6.
Annie's going to get one, isn't she?
Yeah, I think I might get one.
These are
Please.
all these
I love
nice
looking
things.
at
No, we're
kitchens.
not. We're not having this. Too deep
Look
a
at him.
drawer.
We're not having this.
It's too deep a
Yeah, they
drawer.
are. I want to have a...
Drew's left his phone on the chair. Did you find it?
Yeah.
So weird.
Hi.
I love this bathroom.
Oh my god, that's like...
I know, it looks so nice, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's so cool.
And the lights. I love it. All the bathrooms and showers look so nice. With all the different plants, I love it. This might be weird, but I just love plants. Like fake plants, I think they look nice.
Drew, take a seat with me. Drew, take a seat. We'll have a drink.
cool. Look how cute it is. They're meant like this, just like that, and then they've added plants in them. I like this. I think that's cool, but Jessie's going to get one of these lampshades.
Yeah, I think I am. 20 quid.
20 quid. That's quite good. I
So
thought it'd be
nice.
more expensive than
And
that.
think about how more bright it'll be in my room.
Yeah.
Because it's so dark in there now.
Got all the different plants.
Yeah, these are growing.
Are they real?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, that's real plant.
Really?
No, it's not real.
I love this like plant wall thing. Look at this cute little cafe set up. Looks cute. We can actually go in. Should we go in? How cute. Look how nice this bath is. It's quite small actually. But I love these lights on the side of the mirrors. Love that. Jessie's excited because we're in the kids section.
They're so cool.
Why are you so excited?
We got all these mats.
Have you? Yeah, it's only £12 for a light bulb.
Okay, should I get, what's this one then? Dark? Is it black? Yeah, it's black, isn't it?
No, Jessie, it's what?
Yeah, look, there's a circle on the light bulb physically.
No, there's not.
It's that one that's got black on the bottom.
Oh, really?
You want this one here?
No, it doesn't.
Oh my god, I can't see.
Jessie, there's no black ring on that.
I'm having that there.
Oh my god, she's so excited.
I need a bowl.
We've already got a light.
No, but
An actual light.
I need a bowl. Don't I?
Why don't you get that bulb that's cool like that?
I don't think I can put it in this one.
Oh no, maybe you can't.
So is that?
Look how exciting this part looks.
It's a
I love this part. Veggies, look. I just love fake plants. Look how big this part is. Look at this. What is that?
It's like a curly whirly tree.
We've just come out of IKEA and now we're going to go into town and
See
do
what's
some
open.
shopping. I need to take a few bits back from Primark. It's a different Primark, but I'm taking stuff back and we're just going to go and see what's in the shops basically.
Get some food. I'm
yeah,
hungry.
I'm hungry too. We're eating our lunch now. We got paninis. She got ham and cheese, I got chicken tikka. I got a Starbucks and it's pink. How sick is that? I've never had a pink. Yeah, flamingo frappuccino.
Now we're going low.
Okay, we just got back to the car and we're going to show you what we got. So Jessie wants me to show you what she got. This is from IKEA, so she got some scissors, some yellow scissors, because these were literally like 50p, I swear.
Yeah, they were.
And then she got a charging pad for her phone. And then what else did you get?
Let me show you.
Okay, so then she got this candle.
It just smells amazing, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's apricot ice cream. Don't know if you can see. There we go.
So this is the light. This is like the.
Oh, the lamp, like part of the lamp. that part of the lamp.
Yeah,
and then
the
this
bulb,
is the
like the shade
lampshade that she's got to go on it. You can't really
with my
see
with my light.
with with her light.
And then this one here is a bigger
version of this,
of the little
basically.
one, and a big light.
And then I got this from IKEA. I got this plan. It's like a dangly plan. I've wanted one for ages, and now I finally got one. And then I got this, the same candle in, okay, you really can't see it, but in apricot ice cream. It smells really good. It sounds gross, but it tastes good. Jessie, can you stop making noise back there? And then I also got one of
Sorry.
I also got one of the charging pads things for my phone. And then in IKEA, Primark, I got some pants because they're literally like, they're very cheap basically. I got this like bralette kind of thing to go with my shorts that I got the other day. If you've watched my Primark haul, then you'll know what I'm talking about. That little top, and then I got this bodysuit. It's like a nude pinky colour with black spots. And then I got these khaki green shorts, which are like my pink ones if you watched my Primark haul. And then we went to Lush and I got this for Jessie. It's like a shower jelly. It's for her birthday, but she knows about it basically. So that's all we got, and now we're on our way home.
You need to video the hedge.
The hedge?
It's an amazing hedge.
Okay.
It might be in a minute, honey, quick.
Jessie, it doesn't matter.
It is in a minute. No, it does matter. It's a real cool hedge.
Jessie, I've already put it on there.
Use mine then, but the hedge is so cool.
Okay.
Video, quick, it's coming up, it's coming up, it's your side, it's your side. It's on cobblestone, quick, it's coming up on your side. I'll slow down because it's 40, I'll go 40. Wait, I'll tell you when, past this big tree it is, and the hedge is so cool. I'm going so slow so you can video it. Ready?
Right, I'm videoing.
Go!
I'm videoing.
That was a cool hedge, wasn't it?
We're doing some more questions now, we're on the way home. Right, first question is, what are your favourite snacks to have on a road trip?
I just love food, so anything,
yeah, anything really.
Quite like a good bag of crisps or some sweets.
You like a pick and mix?
Yeah.
What is your biggest pet peeve?
Is when Alan, my stepdad, eats. When he eats, his jaws crunch. It drives me
They make a
insane.
noise. My biggest pet peeve is when you make a noise, it's like, I can't do it. I always smack that because it annoys me so much. Would you rather be a famous chef or a famous gardener? Chef.
Bit both. Famous chef so that I would have like the amazingest food, but I bet gardening is very therapeutic.
Nah, I'd want to be a chef.
Yeah, it's all about the food, so yeah, chef.
Coke or lemonade?
Coke all the way, but Diet Coke. Full fat Coke, just ugh.
Okay, last one is orange juice or apple juice? Orange.
Yeah.
I like apple juice, but I think I prefer orange juice.
I prefer orange juice.
Well, we'll see you when we get home. We'll probably be home in like an hour, and then we'll probably be making our tea or something. So we'll see you in a bit. So we've been home for a long time now, since we actually came home from Exeter. We went in the hot tub and stuff like that, and we just watched The Kissing Booth, which is a film on Netflix, and now we're going to go to bed because we're both tired.
Busy day.
Yeah. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed, and please smash the like button and subscribe down below, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.